Hi, my name is Rimi Sarkar. I am explaining If by Rudyard Kipling. Rudyard Kipling, born on December 30, 1865 and died on January 17, 1936. Let's start the poem. If you can keep your head when all about you are losing theirs and blaming it on you, if you can trust yourself when all men doubt you but make allowance for their doubting too, if you can wait and not be tired by waiting or being lied about, don't deal in lies, or being hated, don't give way to hating, and yet don't look too good, nor talk too wise. If you can dream and not make dream your masters, if you can think and not make thoughts your aim, if you can meet with triumph and disaster and treat those two impostors just the same, if you can bear to hear the truth you have spoken, twisted by knaves to make a trap of fools, or watch the thing you gave your life to broken, and stop and being imp up with worn out tools. If you can make one heap of all your winnings and risk it on one turn of peace and toss and loss and start again at your beginnings and never breathe a word about your loss. If you can force your heart and nerve and sinew to serve your turn long after they are gone, and so hold on when there is nothing in you except the will which say to them hold on. If you can talk with crowd and keep your virtue, or walk with kings, nor lose the common touch, if neither force nor loving friends can hurt you, if all men count with you, but none too much, if you can feel the unforgiving minute with 60 seconds worth of distance run, yours is the earth and everything that's in it, and which is more, you will be a man, my son. Now, move on to the introduction. There are a lot of it suggesting the consequence of actions. It is said that Rudyard wrote this poem for his son, and that's why through this poem he gave his beliefs and value to his son. This poem simply has the power to motivate any disheartened person. Summary and its analysis. It shows that about the father and son relationship. It says that whether you don't look and sound wise, still you should be honest in your dealings. You should not lose your virtue just because someone else has done evil to you. In fact, we need to see why people hate us or talk bad about us, because in some way it can eventually help us in improving ourselves. That means we should still exact positive from negatives. It suggests you to be patient and truthful. You should not only dream and think but also work hard to achieve your dreams. It suggests us to remain same in success and failure. If someday it happened that all our life long saved honesty and other thing get ruins, we should stand up again with full dignity to get them back. It tells us that we should not materialistic and should be ready to give up our luxuries to order to achieve bigger. When we don't defend king and beggar and treat them equal, when we utilize our time in best manner possible, then our soul will be part of this world, and then we truly will become human. That's all the poem. Thank you for listening the poem. I hope you